So we're seeing index futures up this morning, again carrying over. It's going to be 4 days up now if we stay up. We're seeing some some bearish patterns here on the daily and weekly charts. We worked off that extreme oversold condition. Tomorrow the CPI number is coming out. Oil's been down sharply, so gasoline price I paid $3.89 a month ago. I was paying $5.40. So we're going to probably see a better than expected CPI number that should probably give the market a little boost. But either way, we're in a bearish pattern. We're in a bear market. I do think in the next 5 weeks, we're going to see a lot lower prices here. Friday, we saw a big buy reversal in the market. We caught some really great moves here. Oil is up from the 82 level now at 87. Oil was extremely oversold. Gold hit that 1700 mark again. Bounced about 30 here. Excuse me. We're gonna have some big sell divergence here on the opening. Looks like we're gonna probably take some really great short patterns right on the opening here in some major stocks. So basically, just come learn from me, learn the strategies I teach each and every day, learn to be consistent, learn about money management, learn about being disciplined, trade what you see. I'm Stephen Kalayjian. Come join me each and every day from 9 to 4. God bless and great day. Have a great day trading, everybody.